Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm working on a sweet little makeover using this Trinket box I found at the Dollar Tree. It's the perfect little size to hold some jewelry, and I thought, why not give it a little glow up? So I'm starting out by painting the entire box inside and out using the color Purple Haze by Couture. I absolutely love this color. It's a soft, dreamy shade of purple, and it's going to give this little box a romantic feel. I'm making sure to get in all the nooks and crannies, taking my time to give it even coverage, light and breezy, not too thick. I always like to do two coats even with a wash like this just to build up the color a little bit without fully covering the wood. I like a natural wood look. Pardon me, guys, I am trying to get used to editing on my laptop, and my current microphone doesn't work with my laptop, so my voiceovers are going to sound quite differently. And I don't like that because you can hear my mouth and everything, every move I make with my mouth. I am so sorry. Once my paint is fully dry, I'm bringing in one of my favorite elements, which is the IOD Transfer. This is from the Sarah Featon's Botanicals collection. I'm just showing you some of them. They're absolutely beautiful. And the one that I choose matches perfectly with my box. These are super easy to work with if you haven't used them before, and they add a beautiful touch to projects like this and really anything. IOD transfers are beautiful, but once I get it centered, I'm just going to press it down gently with my hands just to get it into place. And then I'm going to go over it with a little burnishing stick that comes with it just to make sure the whole design really transfers. I absolutely love this part. It's so satisfying to peel back the sheet and see that gorgeous design just sitting there perfectly on the box. Look how pretty that is. After I get my transfer applied, I'm moving on to the inside of the box. I had this cheesecloth in my stash. It's super thin, almost like muslin. And I had dyed this previously with coffee a while back to give it a warm aged look like I do most of the things that I make. I'm gonna cut it down to size and just kind of cut it as I go. And I'm gonna glue it to the inside of my box, folding the edges back and tucking the fabric as I go. This part took me a little bit longer because of the lid of the box was in the way, and it was really difficult for me to get my hands in there and fold it under, but I got it. Phone was in the way playing that video. I'm sorry about that. But those sweet little jewelry feet I got on Amazon, I figured those would make a nice addition. And I didn't bother using the little screws that came with it. I just glued it down with using my glue gun. And I added this sweet little butterfly that I got in one of those $10 grab bags at Goodwill. And that matches perfectly. And lastly, I'm going to give it a few coats of Extreme Satin Glaze by Couture. And that's it. I love how this little Dollar Tree box turned out. It went from super plain to something that looks like it came out of a little boutique. It's always so fun giving simple little pieces new life. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Until the next one, guys. Bye.